But the one, the celebrity of celebrities, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he's more than celebrity, right? The one who cared for us, and we're going to meet him in Kawthar, inshallah, say inshallah, on the day of judgment, inshallah, we're going to work hard and get there. He not only cared for us, but his wisdom, his life, if you follow it, it's actually going to help us. It's going to practically help you. It's not like a airy, fairy, nice thing to do. No, so who studied his life? Who studied his biography? 1, 2, okay. Brothers, here's another question, and I want to expose you now, yeah? I'm going in now, I'm going in. You guys watch movies, right? Yeah, you do. So we all watch movies, yeah? When you watch that one movie, it's like epic movie. You see them, oh, that movie was brilliant, bro. It was amazing. Oh, wow. Let me drop a name. Inception. Yeah? What a movie, man. Oh, amazing. Like, it grips you and you're hooked, and to the end, it's like climax and that. Yeah, it's something you talk about. I'm telling you, brothers, wallahi, inshallah ta'ala, if you study the life of the Prophet ﷺ with the correct intention, it is better than any blockbuster movie out there. It's an epic story. The story of Rasulullah ﷺ, which actually happened, it's an epic story. It's the best blockbuster, honestly. And that's just the Prophet, upon him be peace. Then you got Sahaba. There's another book written by General Akram. You got Seerah, right? You understand the word Seerah? There's many Seerah books, you can get hold of it, inshallah. But there's a book on Khalid bin Walid, that Sheikh Umar. When I read his book, I couldn't put it down. Phenomenal. It's like the way description, how he was, and some of the stuff he's doing, like it was like a superhero. But it's true. It's true. So the thing about the Prophet, upon him be peace, not only did he care for you, not only did he cry for you, but his like life examples will actually help you. It will help you in life. I'll give you just one example, and I use this for non-Muslims. I went to a non-Muslim when I used to work as a fundraiser for Amnesty, and I said, listen fella, I've noticed you get angry a lot. You get angry a lot. I can't remember what his name was, but you get angry all the time. I've worked with you 6 months, you're always angry. And what have you done about it? Nothing. I went to anger management sessions, this and that, nothing. I go, do you know what? There was a wise man a long time ago, he said something. He goes, you know what? If you get angry, and if you're standing, sit down. And if that doesn't work, then lie down. If that doesn't work, then take a shower. And he goes, oh, that's really interesting. I'm going to try it. And I can't remember if he tried it or not. And I use this all the time. It's a practical thing. What am I alluding to here? Does anyone know what I just said? It's actually a hadith. Do you know the hadith? Anyone knows the hadith? Anybody want to narrate it? Does anyone know it?
I don't have the narration, but whatever you've said is Sahih hadith.
Yeah. The Prophet, upon him be peace, is giving us a practical wisdom which actually works. If you're angry, he says sit down. If you're standing, sit down. If you're not, lie down. If not, do wudu. I said obviously take a bath. Because if I said to wudu to a non-Muslim, you go, what? Wudu? What? Black magic? No. Yeah, so do you know what I mean? So, that's just one example of many, subhanAllah. Many, And so, brothers, if you follow his life, if you study his life and has a role model, and have the Sahaba role model, you won't follow any of these celebrities, inshallah.